So I chose to stay at BGSU because I found a great group of people while I was here. I'm actually a transfer student, so coming into Bowling Green as a transfer student really kind of gave me another clean slate. I came from Wright State University in Dayton, so I didn't really find very many opportunities to get involved, and when I came here I was really submerged into that really quickly. So I ended up joining about 3 or 4 different organizations. I'm involved in Dance Marathon. I took on a really big leadership position with that, and I was on the steering committee this past year, kind of planning the entire event. And I am a part of Alpha Chi Omega. It's a sorority here on campus, so I'm heavily involved with our philanthropy, which is domestic violence awareness. So we work closely with the Cocoon Shelter here in Bowling Green. I'm also part of the tour guide program, so I'm able to kind of share my love for the school with people who are considering it or want to learn more about it. So